Let's build a coffee table. Hey, I'm Michaela and I'm teaching myself woodworking. I found some inspo designs and then drew up my own. This is the first time I've gotten to work with oak. I started with the glue up of the top. I've done this part before, but I'm realizing I don't have the right clamps. Or enough clamps. You always need more clamps. After sanding the top, I moved on to making tapered legs. Drawing them to scale, I made myself a little jig out of scrap wood. I used double stick tape to get the placement just right before I screwed down my blocks. Added some sandpaper to give the leg a little bit of traction. It worked pretty well and I learned a lot. After 3 practice legs, I made 4 decent legs. Next up, I wanted to try dowel joinery. I tried these little dowel pins to align my dowels. After about 30 dowels, I got pretty okay at it. I used the dowels to join the legs to the frame and also the top and bottom to the side. Now that I know that I like this method, I'm probably gonna go ahead and get myself that dowel jig. This table has to withstand 2 kids, so I added these corner support pieces in the bottom frame. I kept them in place with some nails and I screwed it straight into the leg. It's so nice to have a coffee table again after 7 years-ish without. Join me next time because I'm changing the color of the table.